Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. 4 babies have died in almost as many days at the Bustamante Hospital for Children after they were suspected to have developed dengue hemorrhagic fever. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton gave the confirmation this afternoon, but explained that the hospital is challenged at this time as at least 20 children are now admitted on the pediatric ward with dengue. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
The health minister has reported over 500 suspected cases of the dengue virus so far this year, with some of the cases confirmed to be dengue. This is more than the 200 cases seen last year. However, over the past few days, the Bustamante Hospital for Children in St. Andrew has been busier than usual, treating persons showing up with symptoms of dengue fever. But the situation has gotten serious after suspicions that a few children have died from dengue-related complications. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the confirmation Tuesday.
I'm told that as of today, there are some 20 cases, suspected cases, that are being treated on the hospital, that we have had a few deaths over the past 3 or 4 days. I think there are 4 deaths of suspected cases. So those tests have now samples have to be sent to the lab to confirm.
Dr. Tufton says the hospital has been seeing an increase in the number of children with dengue hemorrhagic fever, which causes internal bleeding. However, the health minister says part of the challenge is that parents are not treating their children properly at home.
In the case of dengue, it is very, very important that only Panadol, paracetamol, or Cetamol, and I'm naming 3 brands in particular because I think it's easier for people to understand rather than use the medical terms for those medications. If you give the child other medicines, then that it could aggravate and complicate the situation.
Dr. Tufton says he has made checks at other hospitals island-wide, and so far, only St. Anne's Bay has 4 cases of dengue among the pediatric age group.
Every case is concerning, and as the cases increase, then clearly we have to be more vigilant. You may recall that last week we announced a few additional measures, so extended hours for clinics, greater community activation by the community health aides doing the inspections, more ads for TV, greater rotation and scheduling for staff to man these hospitals that are more busy, and of course the public education program.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.